Hello everyone, this is Chris Angler again with CyberGrapes. Today I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink using WordPress. So I'm already logged into my WordPress site. I'm going to hit Edit Page and I'm going to simply select some text. For instance, right here, follow us on Facebook for awesome and free WordPress learning videos. I'm going to highlight Facebook and I'm going to just click on that little link right there. Click on that, and then it's going to ask you, what's your link? So in here, I'm going to take my Facebook page, I'm going to paste it in here, and I can hit submit. And now that link is it's embedded, and I'm going to hit update and view the page as soon as it's done. And what you'll see is that this is now a hyperlink. Click on it, and boom, it's working perfectly. Hope you find this very helpful. It's a very simple thing to do. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Bye.